The Zimbabwe Council of Churches, 3 days ago, on 13 April 2026, you submitted a statement to Parliament of Zimbabwe, which presents itself as a sincere appeal to the conscience of Parliament on the Constitution of Zimbabwe, Amendment Bill number 3, a bill currently open for public consultation until 17 May. Sadapenda mashuko baadaye tuko panapa na Jonathan Moyo, ndio was subscribe or like on the bell icon. Jimina Mobile Comes with the greatest respect. The ZVAITWA important voice in national life. The statement reads more like a manifesto of an opposition political party. It invokes and applies scripture to declare that the Zimbabwe Council of Churches opposes the Constitution of Zimbabwe Amendment Bill number 3 because of the potential harm it causes to the nation, the legacy of our current president. Your self-declared oppositional stance raises genuine concerns about the proper and balanced separation of church and state. When a major religious body like yourselves offers such direct and sweeping opposition to the bill, effectively stepping into the constitutional roles reserved for Parliament to make law and the judiciary to interpret it, you risk undermining and weakening not only these institutions but also important constitutional processes such as the public access to and involvement in Parliament provided under Section 141 of the Constitution. To any fair-minded observer, your written statement to Parliament comes across as unusually partisan. For a respected National Christian Council representing 3 million citizens with a proud history as a mediator and an honest broker and not an agitator in society, the fact that the statement is not evidence-based, it makes it worse. As but one telling example, your claim that the bill fails to protect the vulnerable is politically charged and highly disproportionate, not least because it is not and cannot be linked to any clause of the constitutional bill under consultation. The claim would arguably be understandable as a critique of a policy, otherwise it is way off the mark as a commentary on an amendment to the Constitution meant for prosperity. Given the ZVAITWA long-standing reputation for balance and constructive engagement, your submission to Parliament feels disappointing and falls short of the unifying, measured contribution fair-minded people have come to expect from ZVAITWA. Zimbabwe is stronger when important religious bodies like yours offer unifying, moral and spiritual guidance in temperate language while trusting and helping to build democratic institutions. Doma developments are kuda panguva ino achitaurwa wani mukomana Jonathan Moyo achiataka the Zimbabwe Council of Churches ZCC panguva ino their stand pamusoro pe the submission of the Parliament of Zimbabwe vachienda against the Constitutional Amendment Bill. Pena kuma section medu za fungura enyi motu kudi pamusoro mashoko ake. Subscribe or like, check on the bell icon.